In this video we will learn domestic animal name. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready?
Yeah!
This is a cat. Try saying a cat. This is a dog. Try saying a dog. This is a chicken. Try saying chicken. This is a llama. Try saying llama. This is a camel. Try saying camel. This is a sheep. Try saying sheep. This is a guinea fowl. Try saying guinea fowl. This is a turtle. Try saying turtle. This is a canary. Try saying canary. This is a pony. Try saying pony. This is an ox. Try saying ox. This is a hamster. Try saying hamster. This is a goldfish. Try saying goldfish. This is a yak. Try saying yak. This is a pigeon. Try saying pigeon. This is a turkey. Try saying turkey. This is a parrot. Try saying parrot. This is a squirrel. Try saying squirrel. This is a buffalo. Try saying buffalo. This is a donkey. Try saying donkey. This is a duck. Try saying duck. This is a rabbit. Try saying rabbit. This is a pig. Try saying pig. This is a horse. Try saying horse. This is a cow. Try saying cow.
In school.